wonderful. And thank you so much for clicking on my video and for choosing me to spend this time with. This is my channel, Thomason's Once Upon a Nursery, where anything can happen. I am a klutz, so just beware of falling objects. I'm Tammera, head weirdo, top dog, and your host as always. And today is my hashtag, which is So Blue Dolly Sunday, because my favorite color is blue. And if you would like to participate in So Blue Dolly Sunday, it is a forever tag. So feel free to join in at any time. And you don't have to have your baby all dressed in blue. Simple blue accents. As you can see, my little Morgan here has on this sweet little romper, day romper. And the rainbows in her day romper have blue in them. And so does her sheep. And the little bit of blue in her hair clip. If she was dressed for So Blue Dolly Sunday right now, this would be perfect. That's all the blue she would absolutely need. And you don't even necessarily have to be putting your baby into blue. You could have like this pillow here, how it has blue flowers in it. That would be enough to represent for So Blue Dolly Sunday. And then what about you back here? You could be wearing blue. Maybe you have a bracelet that's blue and you put your bracelet on for the video. Just as long as you're representing for So Blue Dolly Sunday, it's fine by me. I just can't wait to see your videos. So today I have with me my sweet little Morgan Emiella. I made up her middle name myself. And this is her bunny, Cotton. Morgan was purchased from Aliexpress from one of my favorite stores, which is BESTIE dolls. I have so many of their dolls, like 7, I think. I think I have 7 BESTIE dolls. But Morgan here is 26 inches. She is a whopping 26 inches. And she weighs approximately 7 pounds or so. I did weigh her myself. She has full arms and legs. She is a replica of the Chanel kit. Oh, and she's got this gorgeous pacifier clip that was made by Auntie Temuriell. We want to say thank you, Auntie Temuriell, for sending us this pacifier clip. We really like it. And I believe that is all. So I am going to show you what I'm going to be putting on her today. And then I think we're going to just continue on with a little tune, if you don't mind. So hopefully this will work out. I had a little bit of trouble finding what I wanted to put on her, but I do have this blue elastic crocheted headband that I bought in the craft section at Walmart. And then I have this blue bow that I'm going to be putting on that. Oh, I made this too, by the way. Oh, there you go. Oh, give me my finger back. And then I have this long sleeve shirt. It is Garanimals. It is sized 2 toddler. Probably going to have to pin up the neck. It is white and it is covered in stars that are gold and purple and pink and gray. So I have that. And I have these little, oh my gosh, you guys. Oh no. Oh gosh, you would not believe what is on these pants. Oh, I think you guys know what's on the back of these pants. They're tie-dye blue with variations of colors of blue fading into white with a dark red, pink, and purple stars all over to match the shirt. But on the back, we have a Rumba bun! You guys know how I feel about a rumba bum. Are you ready? Get your rumba on. Rumba, 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 rumba bum. Rumba bum. And then I have these little cream colored socks to put on her with this, just because I was tired of looking for socks and these were there. So I just decided to put those on her. So I'm going to go ahead and get started getting her dressed. And I will put on a little tune for you all. I'm going to set Cotton back here so he can observe and doesn't get knocked off the table. I will show you her clothing as I take it off of her. This is a vintage, Simply Basic that I got for my daughter when she was little. So, yeah, I guess that is all for now, and I'll see you, talk to you at the end of the video. So please enjoy this little tune while we get started. Okay, guys. So there she is. She is all finished. She is all done and all dressed for So Blue Dolly Sunday. I'm going to show you the back of her hair. Show you how shiny and pretty it is. Wow. And her clothes did actually fit her rather nicely. I don't think I said the pants were size 12 months. We got completely distracted with Rumba Bum. But yeah, Garanimal size 12 months on the Rumba Bum pants. And there she is. And this is the size of the pillows that I have for sale. This particular pattern is mine. Mine! I do have a woodland pattern available at this time, but it is not this one. This one's mine. So, yeah, look at how cute she looks. I think it turned out really cute. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And Mia is actually wearing a shirt that's identical to these pants. So they kind of match. I might take their pictures together, actually. That'd be super cute. Okay, guys. So I guess that is it. And that is all for me and Morgan. And Cotton. So if you would like to be entered to win an authentic reborn baby, there are detailed rules in my description. Yes, ma'am. Or sir. And if you would like to see how close Temuriell and I are to our goal, I also leave a daily subscriber count in every video that I upload. So head on to my description. There are lots of things in my description. If you guys don't look at my description, you should. I encourage you to. And this may come up in the future as a possible something for a giveaway, or I don't know. But, you know, just keep your eyes open, keep your ears open, and, you know, make sure you're checking me out, because you never know what's going to happen. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me today for So Blue Dolly Sunday. I hope I was able to lighten your load and maybe lift you up a little bit, make you feel a little bit better, bring some happiness to your day, bright and shiny smile to your lips. Hopefully, that would be nice. But yeah, I really do appreciate each and every one of you for subscribing to me and for supporting my channel with your likes and all the motivation that you give to me. I really, really, really do appreciate it. And all my new subscribers out there, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Really do appreciate you, and I appreciate you being here, and I hope you have a good time. I look forward to hanging out with you and getting to know you better. So yeah, guys, I guess that's it. That's all. If you enjoyed yourself today, please consider hitting that like and subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a video every Tuesday, Wednesday, Fridays until December, Saturday, and Sunday. There are lots of new things coming to my channel, so please stay tuned for that. You don't want to miss a thing, as Aerosmith would say. But we're going to go for now. So from me and Morgan and all the rest of the babies here at Thomason's Once Upon a Nursery, I want to say mwah! And thank you so much for being here with us. We love you guys so, so much. Thank you, and we will see you on Tuesday. Yeah, we'll see you on Tuesday. You say bye, Morgan. You say bye, Morgan. You say bye, baby. Look how pretty she is. I love her little ear sticking out like that. That's adorable. Oh, you say bye, Morgan. You say bye. Bye. All right, guys. See you Tuesday. Bye.